Early retirement. It's a phrase that conjures images of sun-drenched beaches, leisurely mornings, and the freedom to pursue passions long set aside. For many it represents the ultimate dream, a life unshackled from the daily grind, where time is truly your own. But achieving this dream requires more than wishful thinking. It demands careful planning, disciplined financial management, and a clear understanding of the steps involved. This guide serves as a roadmap to navigate the complexities of early retirement planning. Whether you're just starting or are already on your way, the insights and practical advice here will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. With the right approach and commitment, early retirement can be more than just a dream, it can be your future reality. Embarking on the journey towards early retirement begins with a crucial first step, crafting a comprehensive master plan. This plan serves as your roadmap, guiding your financial decisions and keeping you on track towards your goal. Start by envisioning your ideal early retirement lifestyle. What activities will fill your days? Will you travel extensively, pursue hobbies, or spend more time with family? Estimate the costs associated with it. Remember to factor in not just everyday expenses like housing, food, and transportation, but also healthcare costs, leisure activities, and any potential travel plans. Determine your retirement income needs by calculating how much money you'll need each year to maintain your desired lifestyle. Finally, outline your savings and investment strategies. How much will you need to save each month to reach your retirement goals? What types of investments will you make? Addressing these questions in your master plan will provide a clear roadmap for achieving your early retirement aspirations. Review and adjust it periodically to reflect changes in your life, financial situation, and goals. At the heart of early retirement planning lies a fundamental concept: financial freedom. This doesn't necessarily mean amassing vast wealth. Rather, it's about achieving a level of financial security where your money works for you. Achieving financial freedom requires disciplined budgeting, strategic investing, and a mindset shift towards long-term financial well-being. One cornerstone is disciplined budgeting. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas to reduce spending and free up more cash flow for savings and investments. Another crucial aspect is strategic investing. Investing your money wisely allows it to grow over time, building wealth and generating passive income streams. Equally important is cultivating a mindset shift towards long-term financial well-being. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination but a journey, requiring ongoing effort, learning, and adaptation. Section 4. Investing for your future. Investing is not just about growing your wealth, it's about securing your future, especially when aiming for early retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and generate significant returns. Begin by maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. Consider employer-sponsored plans, especially if they offer matching contributions. Beyond retirement accounts, explore other investment avenues like brokerage accounts, which offer more flexibility in investment choices. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Educate yourself about different investment options and seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio as needed. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and remember that consistent contributions over time are key to building a secure financial future for your early retirement. Section 5. Active investment management for early retirement. Active investment management is crucial for early retirement planning. It involves regularly monitoring your portfolio, making necessary adjustments, and staying informed about market trends. Start by establishing clear investment goals for your early retirement. Determine your desired income in retirement, factor in inflation, and outline how much you need your investments to grow to achieve those goals. Choose an investment strategy that suits your risk tolerance and time horizon. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes and within those classes. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. Rebalancing involves selling a portion of overperforming assets and investing in underperforming ones to maintain your desired risk level and asset mix. This proactive approach can potentially maximize returns and mitigate potential losses, bringing you closer to your early retirement dream. Section 6. Adjusting your budget for early retirement. Adjusting your budget is a crucial step towards achieving your early retirement goals. It's not just about cutting costs, but rather making conscious spending choices that align with your long-term vision. Start by tracking your expenses meticulously. Categorize your spending into needs, wants, and savings to gain a clear understanding of your spending patterns. Identify areas where you can reduce or eliminate unnecessary expenses. Consider downsizing your lifestyle if it aligns with your early retirement vision. Automate your savings to make it effortless and consistent. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement accounts or savings goals each month. By aligning your spending with your values and long-term goals, you can create a budget that supports your early retirement aspirations without sacrificing your quality of life. Section 7. Diversifying your income for early retirement. Diversifying your income streams is a powerful strategy for achieving financial security and realizing your early retirement dreams. Explore passive income opportunities. Examples include rental income from properties, dividend payments from stocks, royalties from creative works, or earnings from online businesses. Consider starting a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time. Explore the gig economy for flexible work opportunities that fit your schedule and interests. Invest in income-generating assets. Real estate, dividend-paying stocks, and peer-to-peer lending platforms offer opportunities to generate passive income streams. Diversifying your income is not about working more hours, but about creating multiple avenues for money to flow into your life. By strategically building a portfolio of income-generating assets and exploring alternative income opportunities, you enhance your financial security and accelerate your path to early retirement.